Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So I will put number 2 in here and here. Next, I will put sinx plus sinx because this one equals to this one. The next one, I will put negative cosine x, then we need to put back positive cosine x. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. So 1 over 2 multiplied by number 1 and this one. So the integration of 1 over 2, that is about x over number 2. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x minus cosine x. Now we can do first the derivative for the both sides. And we got like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. The integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. And now we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.